Did you know some of the world's most powerful muscle support foods aren't in your supermarket? And stick around. Don't miss the last food. It's absolutely crucial. Aging comes with many gifts: wisdom, perspective, creativity. But gradual muscle loss is not one of them. Experts estimate that we lose nearly 3 to 5% of muscle mass per decade after age 30, and that rate accelerates through our 50s and 60s. This process, known as sarcopenia, can lead to fatigue, reduced mobility, and even falls. Despite its seriousness, sarcopenia remains largely preventable through targeted nutrition. While Western diets lean heavily on chicken, beef, and whey powder, the world offers a wealth of lesser-known foods bursting with unique amino acids, minerals, and antioxidants designed to fortify muscles and speed recovery. Today, we journey beyond grocery aisles to explore 6 under-the-radar powerhouses: moringa leaf powder, amaranth grain, teff, natto, seaweeds, and spirulina. For each, we will uncover the science that fuels muscle repair, learn simple ways to prepare and eat them, and share time-tested tips to make these nutrient-dense staples an effortless part of your daily routine. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating global superfoods and turning your kitchen into a muscle preservation lab. Ready to reclaim the strength of your youth? Let's dive in. Moringa leaf powder emerges from a tree revered as a miracle in South Asia. This vibrant green powder contains all 9 essential amino acids and provides the equivalent of nearly 27% complete protein by weight. More than a protein source, moringa offers quercetin and chiempherol, 2 potent antioxidants that have been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress after exercise. A study published in the Journal of Food Science in 2018 compared moringa protein to whey and found its digestibility equally impressive, making it an outstanding plant-based alternative for muscle repair. To use moringa, simply blend 1 heaping teaspoon into your morning smoothie. Stir it into soups or mix it into salad dressings. Its mild, spinach-like flavor pairs seamlessly with both sweet and savory dishes. Imagine sipping a post-workout smoothie with moringa working behind the scenes like a tiny repair crew, calming micro-tears in muscle fibers and speeding recovery. Incorporate it a few times per week, and you may notice less soreness and faster bounce back after workouts or everyday activities. Amaranth was a prized grain of the ancient Aztecs, celebrated for its nutrition and versatility. 1 cooked cup of amaranth delivers roughly 9 grams of high-quality protein, including lysine, an amino acid often limited in other grains. Amaranth also contains magnesium and phosphorus, minerals essential for energy metabolism and muscle contraction. Its fiber content helps sustain stable blood sugar levels, a key element in preventing muscle breakdown during periods of stress or fasting. Cooking amaranth is simple. Simmer 1 part grain to 2 parts water for about 20 minutes until the water is absorbed and the grains are tender. Use it as a porridge foundation topped with nuts, seeds, or fresh fruit for breakfast, or fold cooled amaranth into salads, soups, and stews to boost protein content without altering texture dramatically. Food chemistry research confirms that amaranth's protein digestibility rivals that of soy, making it an invaluable addition to vegetarian or flexitarian diets aiming to build or maintain muscle. Teff, a tiny cereal grain native to Ethiopia, packs a surprising nutrient punch. With approximately 13% protein content, teff also supplies iron, calcium, and resistant starch. Its glycemic index is low, enabling steady blood sugar and insulin responses, both crucial factors for preserving lean muscle mass, especially in older adults. Resistant starch in teff feeds beneficial gut bacteria and supports digestive health, indirectly contributing to optimal nutrient absorption. You can find teff flour in specialty stores or online. Mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of teff flour into pancake or waffle batter to add a protein and mineral boost. Alternatively, cook whole teff as a porridge by simmering 1 part grain with 3 parts water for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. The mild, earthy flavor harmonizes with both sweet and savory accompaniments. Athletes and active seniors alike report improved endurance and steadier energy throughout the day when teff becomes a regular breakfast or snack staple. Natto, Japan's celebrated fermented soybean dish, delivers about 18 grams of soy protein per 100 grams, along with vitamin K2 and the enzyme nattokinase, which supports healthy circulation and blood flow. Equally important are natto's probiotics, which enhance gut health and optimize the absorption of crucial muscle-building nutrients like protein and minerals. Clinical trials in the nutrition journal suggest that habitual natto consumption reduces markers of muscle inflammation and promotes faster recovery after exercise. If you're new to natto, start with small portions, 1 to 2 tablespoons, mixed into rice bowls or stirred into scrambled eggs. Its sticky, stringy texture and robust, savory flavor take a little getting used to, but many fans describe it as addictive once acquired. For a milder introduction, add chopped green onions, a drizzle of soy sauce, or even a touch of honey. Over weeks of consistent use, natto can become a cornerstone food in your muscle maintenance strategy. Seaweeds, including wakame, kombu, and dulse, are nature's ocean multivitamins, offering 10 to 15% protein by dry weight, plus abundant iodine, calcium, magnesium, and trace minerals. They are also rich in amino acids like taurine and glycine, which help regulate electrolyte balance and optimize muscle contractions. Research in the journal Marine Drugs highlights seaweed's role in supporting neuromuscular function and reducing muscle fatigue. To include seaweed in your diet, start with dried flakes of dulse sprinkled over salads, soups, or roasted vegetables. You can also snack on roasted nori sheets or use kombu strips to flavor stocks and broths. Even small servings deliver significant micronutrient boosts, particularly valuable for those reducing or eliminating red meat and dairy. Regular seaweed intake can support steady nerve impulses, balanced hydration, and efficient muscle recovery. Spirulina stands as the grand finale for this lineup. This freshwater microalga offers up to 70% protein content by weight, along with a full spectrum of B vitamins, iron, and the potent antioxidant phycocyanin. In a 2019 study published by the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, older adults who supplemented with spirulina during an 8-week resistance training program increased their muscle strength by nearly 7% compared with a placebo group. Incorporating spirulina into your daily routine is as easy as adding 1 teaspoon to a glass of water, juice, or a protein shake. Its mild taste blends seamlessly with citrus or tropical flavors, so you can enhance your nutrition without triggering any aftertaste concerns. Think of spirulina as a concentrated green powder that not only fuels muscle protein synthesis, but also shields your cells from oxidative damage, enabling you to push harder and recover faster. Ready to refresh your diet and reclaim your strength? Introduce one of these new superfoods each week, tune into how your body responds, and watch your muscle recovery and energy levels soar. These global treasures are more than exotic additions. They are proven allies in the fight against age-related muscle loss. Start today and empower your muscles, your mobility, and your independence for the decades ahead. Did this video help you discover new superfoods to fight muscle loss? If so, please like and share to help others benefit. Subscribe now and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest nutrition tips and global food discoveries. Your support powers our mission to keep you strong, informed,